Hello, my name is Joseph, and I'm going to be sharing a little bit about our detox retreat. Well, the reason I chose to offer detox retreats at Anamaya is because I think it's absolutely essential these days for people to clean their bodies on the inside. It's so often we're good about cleaning the outside of our body, we're concerned about our image, how we look, how the world perceives us, but how about how we are on the inside? We are constantly accumulating heavy metals, toxins. It's really a toxic world, and it's time to take up a week to yourself, do a program so you can clean your body and find the most vitality you possibly can in your body and your mind and in your heart. So I co-created Anamaya about 15 years ago. I had some amazing business partners, and it's actually now been about 24 years that I've been studying natural health, and I also am a board certified naturopath, especially passionate about bringing more vitality to people so that they can be free from all of the disease that's in this world right now. There's so many chronic conditions and so many ailments, and we're getting sicker and sicker. So my passion really is to help you find the health and vitality that you deserve the best way that I can. And coming to submerge yourself into a whole cleanse and nourish package, learning how to sustain a healthy lifestyle and to have a supportive group to do that with is absolutely essential these days. So when you come on the detox retreat here at Anamaya, you're going to be spending 7 days, very well guided, but eating very healthy food. We're also going to be doing a little bit of intermittent fasting. So it's a gentle way of fasting to cleanse, not every day, every other day. And you'll be taking a lot of supplements, especially herbs for parasite cleanse and binders and things to help absorb the heavy metals and pull them out of your body. You'll be doing a regular infrared sauna, cold plunge, and classes which help nourish your mind as well, to get educated in spirituality, on health and why it's a toxic world and what to do about it. Diving deep into your feelings so that you can cleanse on the emotional level as well. That's something that's really overlooked in this world, and it's super crucial, especially for preventing or treating cancer. We're going to be going into nature quite a bit. It's really essential to build that foundation to connection to nature, and there's many tools to help you do that. Finding those most natural things that can have the biggest impact on your health. Like, for example, just connecting your bare feet to the earth, getting sun on your skin, getting plenty of clean water, and breathing clean air, and doing breath work, and learning how to use the power of the breath to control your nervous system, to calm and suppress the stress that you normally carry all the time, to really refine that balance. It's really hard not to find peace and joy and inspiration when you come here, because obviously we have a pristine location. You don't see anything man-made behind me. It's all nature, an endless view of the coastline. You see the birds and the animals and the river and the ocean all in one place. It's such a nourishing place. The staff is super friendly and accommodating. The food is delicious and healthy. So I hope to see you soon.